They needed a screwdriver. So I asked them, okay, well, where's our screwdriver? So they went over to our Maker Center table. They found the screwdrivers, pulled it out. A lot of them had trouble with it because it was too hard. They couldn't push down on it, so they asked for help.
They didn't know which way to turn.
They didn't. So a lot of them kept turning right, which was making it tighter. So then we taught them righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So they would, and then we showed them the letter L on our hand, so they know this is left, so they knew to go to the left, and then this was the right. So then when we were taking it apart, we took the screws out, and some of the children, it was still working, so as soon as we took the screws out, it stopped working. It would not turn on. Something in the screws made it to where you could not turn it back on. So then they finally opened it up. I asked them, if you look at this piece, where all of the letters and the numbers were, I asked them, I was like, do you think this is going to be a lot of pieces, or if this is only going to be a little bit of pieces? So then we integrated math with it, so majority of them said it was going to be a lot of pieces. And then when we were taking everything apart, they seen all the different pieces. And it's like a brain, it's a computer. They realized just how many pieces that were in it. The top part right here is where you could turn it over to the tablet. I could not even do it. I had to bring it home, and I was like, here, husband, take it, fix it for me. Not realizing you should have just pulled off the sticker, and there was more screws. I did it, so.
But then you talked about it the next day with your children and said, if we'd have pulled the sticker off, we'd have seen more screws underneath. Yes. So we're learning as well as they're learning.
Oh, yes.